I was already on a health and wellness journey, but I knew I needed something more. I couldn't get up off the floor. You know, I had gone to traditional gyms, I had done water aerobics, and it just wasn't enough. And being 65 years old, I had read a lot about, you know, weights were good, weight training was better, and you know, I thought this might be a good choice. My name is Lori Rinaldi, and I've been coming to Act for Life for over 6 months now. My most thing was my granddaughter. She's 6, and to keep up with her, she's definitely my why. She is the reason I wake up every morning. So that was my thing. I couldn't get up off the floor quick enough, and she's 6 and crazy and, you know, going all day. So I wanted to be able to be around for her. I was also walking, even just the boardwalk, feeling out of breath. I was out of breath, walking upstairs, walking uphill, you know, because I had the health and wellness and I was doing all of that, and this just gave me more confidence. And I can say now that when I look in the mirror, I like what I see. I still wasn't liking everything that I was seeing, and I still wasn't able to do the things that I was able to do, you know, and that seemed to like all of a sudden happen, like boom, you know, there was a change. I needed the mentorship, and that's not in a traditional gym. When I first had the first conversation with Cody over the phone, and then I was paired with Sam, which I was thrilled about, you know, because we had met in the library, but it was that hour-and-a-half conversation of, I wasn't just coming here and it was like, okay, here's what you have to do. This is it, you know, look at it, whatever, and I'll check on you once in a while. It was an assessment of what I could do, how I could do it. It was a meal plan. I wasn't eating enough protein. I wasn't eating the right time. I wasn't sleeping correctly. And that's what they give you. And I never found that in any other gym. And I can tell you, I was a Bally's gym person. That's how old I am. So that's where, you know, this is so different, and this is what I needed. They put your head in a place and they make you feel confident. They, you know, they cheer you on. Even the other clients, we cheer each other on. And I don't know them, you know, and I didn't know Justin or Cody or Sam or Kate before I came in here, but they're my friends now. And I know I can come in here, and if I'm like, you know, today I'm just having a tough day, I don't know why. I'm like, okay, what did you do last night? You know, did you have a bad weekend, or did you not sleep well, or are you stressed about something? It's not like, okay, well then don't worry, don't do that. They're gonna make me do it, but they're gonna wanna know why I can't do it. And if I really can't, they're not gonna push me, but they're gonna make sure that I'm doing it safely, and they're gonna find out why. And by the end of the session, usually I'm okay and I'm ready to go, and I'm like, okay, I'm good, I'm gonna do my work. So it's kind of my therapy too. I came in here knowing that I was gonna spend money that actually would make me come here when I've spent money in a gym and never showed up. You know, traditional gym, I've never, like, you know, I would be like, oh, I don't have to show up because no one's gonna know except me. Here, if I don't show up, someone's gonna know. I could not get up off the floor without holding on. I can do that now. And when I do it, there's people here like, hey, you did it, you know? So, and again, I need that accountability. I need that pat on the back. I need someone to give me that confidence, because I don't think I was confident before. I came in one day and said, you know, to Sam, like, I'm looking in the mirror and I'm finally liking what I see. I'm liking it, and I'm proud of me and what I'm doing.